Just on the way out to the garage this morning, just waiting for Rob to get here, but it looks like I left the light on in the garage this morning and I've been hearing a few strange noises, so I thought better come just check it out, make sure everything's alright before Rob gets here. This is the reason for all the noise.
Come on, boy. Alright, Mike, let's see you.
You're a bit misted up, mate.
Yeah, how you doing?
Why were you making turbo noises? I haven't even got a turbo.
Well, you know, you can have fun.
Well, seeing as how you're in the driving mode, you got 5 seconds to get out the car.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. That was pretty good actually, that was quite quick.
Hello and welcome to another awesome episode on the official AE Racing YouTube channel. My name's Rob.
And I'm Mike.
Now if you're looking at this video and wondering why the hell have we got a half-built roll cage already, then it's probably because you haven't watched part 1. So make sure to head down into the description, click on the link and watch that bit before coming back to here.
And all the other videos as well.
Yeah.
Today's episode, we're going to try and finish off most of the roll cage. Yeah, that's it really, yeah, that's all good. Roll logo.
Now to complete the roll cage build, we've got to add a few more sections to it. So, we got loads of bits like this, and as you can see, these two will be going from each of the outer corners of the chassis at a slight angle. I think Mike said in the last one they've got to be about 30 degrees according to the regulations, and we'll notch the tops off and fit them nice and snug to this top hooped bar. Then we got to do one from the very corner, bottom corner of this hoop here to the top corner there to make it nice and rigid at the back. And also we got to get a corner section to go from roughly there down to there to make the top nice and rigid as well, and also make it a lot harder to get in and out the driver's seat. So let's see how it goes.
Dream big, 'cause boy, you're gonna make it. Stand tall, there's a higher road you're taking. Let go of everything that you know and be wild in the mystery. Yeah. I've been in the darkness for 40 days. I've been.
So, as you can see, we now have a roll cage. and it's going to be very hard to remove if it is in the wrong place, because Mike went a bit nuts and actually welded it all in.
I just got carried away with welding. It's just, some of it's not that great and I need to grind it back and do it again anyway, but it's there. We can't be that far off. Oh, thank God that's done with.
Yeah, that was really easy, wasn't it?
See what they charge so much money for the stuff.
Yeah, you really can,
Ball ache. Alright, let's go get some beers, we'll finish up later.
Definitely, I'm parched.
I've only got a couple of cans, but that'll do. It's from the old racing boys.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Rob, fucked up. Just cut it, Rob. I'm still surprised it took you that long to cut a tack off.
So as the old worksman quote goes, you measure twice, you cut once. We didn't want to do that. We measured by eye, and
and then I cut it about 4 or 5 times.
Yeah, just to make our lives that little bit harder.
We just like to redo lots of stuff. As someone in Tim Penstone Smith in the comments, he builds some of these cars and races in the series. He mentioned about the rear height of the rear hoop. Sorry, that was basically our problem. When it came to putting the rest of it together, there were certain angles that didn't line up. We also found something wrong with the rear of our car that didn't quite line up properly, so we had to just cut it all off, redo it again.
Yeah, basically. But we do now have a tacked in place roll cage. The only thing we've got to really finish off to sort of complete it is just weld it in now, and then we'll have a fully fledged roll cage.
We've even got the sidebar on it now as well.
Yeah, so we're nearly there. So I think we've definitely earned a beer.
It was emotional.
We can drown our sorrows. Or no, be happy now, we can be happy.
Yes, we did, yeah.
But if you enjoyed this video and want to celebrate with us, then hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Don't find any more problems wrong with it.